Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of analysis. Detailed examination of the structure or elements of something. For example, statistical analysis. American pronunciation. Analysis. Analysis. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Analysis. Say. Analysis. Analysis means detailed examination. Analysis. Analysis. Analysis origin. Late 16th century. Via medieval Latin from Greek analusis, analuin, unloose, ana, up, plus luin, loosen. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. His detailed analysis is leavened by gag after gag. Now, repeat after me. His detailed analysis is leavened by gag after gag. The second practice. Although this prevented a detailed statistical analysis, the events could still be characterized. Now, repeat after me. Although this prevented a detailed statistical analysis, the events could still be characterized. Visual representation of analysis. Analysis means detailed examination of the structure or elements of something.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.